So you've been thinking about starting YouTube. Stop thinking and start now. You are maybe not sure of exactly what to post as your first YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to help you start your YouTube channel today and post your first video now. Here is the challenge. To be able to post your first video, you need to do it and do it now. Do it right this minute. Do it after watching this video. It's a two-step strategy that will get you posting your first video today. Here's what you've got to do. First thing is, you are maybe not sure of exactly what to post as your first YouTube video. Here's where I will help you. To post your first YouTube video, here's what you could do. And this could be your first YouTube video, which you could record in about 12-15 seconds and post it on your YouTube channel. Are you ready? Let's do this. So for your first YouTube video, you could do something like this. Just turn your camera around, point the camera towards you and shoot this and say, hello, or hey guys, I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and I thought I do not want to wait any longer, so I'm posting my first video today. Here is the first video on my YouTube channel. If you like it or have any words of encouragement, please leave them in the comments down below. Like this video and leave any tips you know of how to be successful on YouTube in the comment section below. This is my first video and there is more to come. Thank you. Here is to more to come. Thank you for watching. After shooting that video, all you've got to do now is to upload it onto your YouTube channel. If you're going to join this challenge, leave a comment below and let us know. If you manage to post your first video after watching this video, please come back here and share your experience with us and leave a comment below and let us know that you did it. You broke the chain of procrastination and you posted your first video. Like this video if you like it. If you have any feedback on how we could make this better, leave that in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. You can check out more of my YouTube videos appearing on the screen now, and you can check the description box below for some more information. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.